Hello everyone, welcome to AJ Programming Solutions. So in last video we have seen what is dependency injection and how we can inject a bean inside another bean. Okay, so in this configuration file we have injected this home loan bean inside this person bean. Okay, now in today's video we are going to see how we can achieve a loose coupling in a spring. Okay, so currently our this application is tightly coupled application. Why? Because inside this person class, as this person was about to buy a home and he have took this home loan from a bank, right? So now this home loan is tightly coupled with this person class because so let's suppose currently he don't he have the another requirement of the car loan. So in that case what we have to do here, we have to change this home loan to car loan class. Okay, and here also we have to write a car loan. Okay, so we don't have this car loan class, so let's create a car loan class. Create a class. Okay, and inside this car loan class let's write a method void car loan emi. Okay, and here sys out car loan emi. Okay, so currently in this car loan we have this method car loan emi. Now let's go to our person class, and here we have changed this home loan to car loan, as currently this person is having requirement of the car loan, right? Now again here we are getting some errors because we have to change the setter and getter methods as well. Okay, so let's remove this and create a setter getter method. So generate getter and setter for the car loan. Generate. So now we have generated the getter and setter method. Okay, now again here we have the show EMI method, and here this home loan was object of the home loan class. Now we have to use the car loan as we have the car loan requirement. Okay, and inside this car loan we have the car loan EMI method, right? So we have to call this method. Now if we run this application, we will get a error not viable property exception home loan. Why? This is invalid property home loan because if we go to config.xml, here we have not changed anything yet. Okay, so let's make the changes here as well. As previously the person want to take a home loan, now he has a requirement of car loan, so we have to create a car loan bean. So let's create a bean here, bean, and id we will give it as a car loan, and the class let's go to our car loan and copy the fully qualified name and go to our config.xml, and here let's, okay, I think that is not copied. So car loan, copy qualified name, go to config.xml and just paste here. Okay, so now our bean is created. So let's do this way, and here also now the property is also changed because previously the property was a home loan, now it is car loan. So just to copy this, go to our config.xml file and just paste here, and here also we have to give the reference of this car loan, right? So just paste this car loan here. Now if we run this application, we are getting the car loan EMI. Okay, and this is from our car loan class car loan EMI method, right? But for this how many changes we have to do? in this person class we have changed this dependency, okay, sorry, we have changed this property which is of the car loan type. Then we have to change the setter and getter methods. Also we have to change the calling method as well, right? So this way this is a tightly coupled application because this car loan is again tightly coupled with our person class, and this is not a good practice. So how we can make it loosely coupled so that we don't have to make this many changes? So we can use interface here, right? Through interface we can achieve the loose coupling. So let's see how we can do that. So here instead of calling the car loan, or instead of writing here car loan or a home loan, we will be creating one interface called loan, okay? And this interface, here let's give a name as a loan, and here first let's create the interface loan, okay? So now we have this loan interface, and for the car loan as well as for the home loan we have this EMI method, right? So let's write this method inside the loan. So here public void EMI, okay, save. Now in this person class let's go and first let's remove this getter setter methods. So and here also the calling, previously we were calling from this car loan, now let's call the method from this loan interface reference, okay? And here inside this loan we don't have the car loan EMI method currently. We have used the generic like the common method EMI which will be used in home loan as well as in the car loan, right? So here let's call EMI method, okay? Now one more thing we have to do, which is creation of setter and getter, okay? So generate getter and setter for this loan, click on the generate and done. We have created the getter setter methods for the loan as well, okay? Now just save this, okay? And so currently in this home loan we have this home loan EMI method, okay? So just implement our interface here, implement loan interface. And if we are implementing the any interface, then we have to provide the implementation for all the methods which we have provided in the loan interface, right? So here it is giving us the error that either implement all the methods which are given in the loan or make this class as a abstract, okay? So let's implement the methods. So here add unimplemented methods, okay? So this is our unimplemented method. So let's remove this and remove this as well, and here just write this out home loan EMI, okay? Now if we go to car loan, inside this car loan also let's implement the loan interface, implement loan interface. And here also we have to remove this and implement the unimplemented methods. So just click here add unimplemented methods and remove this and just write car loan EMI, okay? So now we have the car loan class which is implementing this loan interface, okay? Remove this one curly bracket, again save, go to home loan. So inside this home loan also this home loan is implementing this loan interface, okay? Now this loan is a interface which have one method EMI, and this EMI method is implemented in home loan as well as in the car loan, okay? Now in the person class, what we have did, instead of having the dependency of a particular class, we have created the dependency of the interface. Okay, so that at a runtime it will take whatever class they want to use, right? So currently it is loan. Okay, and here we have returned the getter setter method, and here we have called the EMI method. Now let's go to our config.xml file. Okay, and inside this config.xml file, here let's change this bean id. Okay, so currently we have this car loan bean. Okay, and then here we have given the property name as a car loan. Okay, so instead of this car loan, now what property name we have to give? We have to give this loan as a property name. So just copy this loan, go here and paste here. Okay, so now we have this property name as a loan, and then it is referring to the car loan. Now save this and run. We are getting car loan EMI. Okay, so now let's suppose, now here we want to use a home loan, or we have now the requirement of the home loan. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to create another bean just like the car loan. So just copy this, and instead of car loan, let's write here home loan, and here also we have to change the class home loan. Okay, now if we want to call this home loan EMI method, then only change we have to make inside this configuration.xml file is that we have to change here this ref attribute. So here currently it is referring to this car loan, but now we have to refer to the home loan. Okay, and just save this and run, and see here we are getting now home loan EMI. So previously we have to make the changes in this class. Here in the dependency also we have made the changes, then we have to change the getter and setters, also we have to change this method call as well. But as we have created here the interface dependency instead of a particular class dependency, so we don't have to make any changes here inside this configuration file. Only we have to make change here in this ref attribute. So whatever attribute you have provided, for example here you have provided the home loan attribute, so it will take this home loan class at a runtime. If you provide here a car loan, it will take a car loan class runtime, right? Now after some days, if this person is having any other loan requirement, then what he have to do, he just have to create one more bean here, then here he have to create one Pojo class, and now just this bean id he have to give here in this ref attribute. Okay, and that's it. So we don't have to make any other changes. So this way our this application is now a loosely coupled application. Okay, so I hope you understood what we did. So let's revise what we have done here. So initially this person was having a home loan requirement. Okay, so here we had the dependency on the home loan class. Okay, but after some days he have the requirement of a car loan, right? So that we have changed the home loan to car loan. Here again we have to change getter setters. Okay, and here the method call as well. So this was tightly coupled because the classes whatever we have mentioned here was tightly coupled with this person class. So we have made this a loosely coupled by using the interface here. As we have created a reference of the interface, we have created getter setters of this interface, and whatever method we have provided here in this interface, which is EMI, this EMI method is implemented in a home loan as well as in the car loan, right? So we don't have to make the changes again and again inside this person class. Only changes we have to make is now in the configuration file. Okay, so this way we can achieve the loose coupling in Spring. So I hope this is useful and you all understood what is the loose coupling and how we can achieve the loose coupling. Okay, so thank you. We will meet again in the next video.